About this item: IdeaPad charger, 65W 45W round tip power supply AC adapter for Lenovo IdeaPad, 330-14, 330-15, 330-17, 510-15, 330-14, 330-15. Lenovo Flex 6-14 laptop charger. Power specs: output max 20V 3.25A 65W/20V 2.25A 45W. Input volt range 110-240V/50/60 Hz. For worldwide use, original Lenovo charger laptop AC adapter. Power cord replacement by Ostrich. Compatible model: Lenovo laptop charger Yoga 710-15 IdeaPad 330, 330s, 530s, S530, S130, 330-15 IGM 330-17 IKB 330-14 AST 330-15 ARR 330-17 AST 330S 14 AST 330S 14 IKB 330S 15 AST 330S 15 IKB 530S 14 ARR 530S 14 IKB 530S 15 IKB S130 11 IGM S130 14 IGM S530 13 IWL. Lenovo Yoga 710 710-11 ISK 710-11 IKB 710-14 ISK 710-15 ISK 710-14 IKB 710-15 IKB. We will list more models in the following product description. Product safety: the leading American consumer product testing laboratory lists this Ostrich product as meeting their standards for electrical safety and design in the United States and Canada. Don't buy potentially inferior or dangerous chargers that can harm your laptop or worse. Our guarantee: as a professional notebook power supplier, our products are in compliance with top industry standards, include numerous safety mechanisms, including protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. That's why we offer an industry-leading return and exchange policy, within 30 days of purchase. Additionally, lifetime from the date of purchase, we will exchange